Today we are doing a very special unboxing. We are unboxing two brand new Hot Wheels 2019 cases, the 2019 B case and the 2019 C case. Now, I have mentioned this before, but I get still a ton of questions asking me where I get my Hot Wheels cases from, and I get them from Grana Toys. If you guys are not familiar with Grana Toys, make sure you check out their website and their eBay. I will link them in the description box below. They are fully stocked with so many brand new Hot Wheels and diecast cars for this holiday season, so make sure you go check them out if you want to get the latest in diecast cars. All right, let's flip the camera around and let's get unboxing. All right, guys, let's start it off with the B case. Let's go ahead and open it up from the top right here, and let's see what we have inside of this. All right, let's start right at the top right here. Pull out as many cars as we can. So we've got the Land Rover Defender Double Cab 2015. We've got two of the Two Toughs, and I call this the Urus pickup. Somebody on one of my live streams actually called it that, and I totally agree. It looks like a Urus pickup truck kind of from the front end. All right, we'll put those aside. What else do we have up here? We've got the Uss Enterprise. Not bad, pretty cool looking car. Next on, we have the Nissan Skyline Rs, and this is a brand new color variation. We saw this in two different color variations last year. Then we've got the 95 Mazda RX-7, and we've got the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS, the Volkswagen Golf GT1, and the Speed Box. Moving on, we have the Sandovar, new color. We've got the brand new 71 Mustang Mach 1. I really like that casting. And then we've got the Mercedes Unimog, a very cool looking casting as well. The Dunosaur in the new color variation. Then we have got the custom 01 Acura Integra GSR, two of them there. The 2018 Camaro Ss. We've got the Terrae truck, the Nissan Skyline GTR, and the Volkswagen Golf GT1. All right, some good cars in here, and check it out, we got even more. Another Tricera truck. We've got two of the Lamborghini Reventon Roadsters in that green color variation. I do already have these, but I really like this casting. We'll put that into the collection. Next up, we've got the Fangster. We've got a Moon Eyes Volkswagen Keifer Racer, very cool. We've got the 1990 Honda Civic EF, and that is not a supercharged hunt. And moving on, we've got the Roller Toaster. We've got two of the custom 77 Dodge vans in the Super Chrome series. Licensed casting in Super Chrome series, we haven't seen that before. Very nice. All right, we'll put those aside. And then we've got the 2005 Ford Mustang. That's a new color variation. We've got the Flash Drive, and we've got a Sting Rod. Very cool. We haven't seen the Sting Rod for a while. It's kind of looks like a Pontiac Fiero that's all kind of done out. Very cool car though. All right, we'll put those aside. What else do we have down here? We have got the Carbonator, the custom 72 Chevy LUV, and we've got the Nissan Skyline GTR. And this one would be the super treasure hunt of the case, but this one is just the mainline variation of it. So we'll see down below if we got the super treasure hunt variation of it. Let's pull on the bottom here, and we'll go on to the top up here. We've got two of the mine carts. We have seen this casting previously, and it wasn't really popular, so I'm not really sure why they re-released it, but that's okay. We'll move those on down. Then we've got the 67 Shelby Gt500, Benz Unimog 1300, another one of those we saw, and a brand new casting, the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. Check it out. I really like that casting. I was really looking forward to that one. All right, moving on, we have got another one of the custom 72 Chevy LUV, the Batmobile, and the Track Ripper. Check out the new color variations of both of those. I'm loving that on the Track Ripper. That's a different type of Tampa work on there. They should do that in more cars. Very cool. All right, we'll put those up there. Then we've got the Land Rover Defender Double Cab, that new color variation. We saw that at the beginning. Two of the Gazella GTs in some new colors as well. And moving on, we have got the Hover and Out, and we've got the 69 Ford Torino Talladega and a High Beam. New color variations of those ones as well. Lots of new color variations we're seeing. We got the Nissan Skyline GTR. That's the BCN R33 variation, new color variations, new color variation of the Jeep Wrangler as well. Really, really like that casting. Very, very cool casting. All right, we'll put those down there. What else do we have on up here? We've got the Tread Shedder, and that one is really, really cool. Look at that, it's like a motorbike type of thing with very, very tready tires on it. All right, and then we got the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup, brand new casting. I really, really like that. That's really cool. That's gonna be a collectible one for sure. And let's move on down here, see what else we have. We got the 2017 Jeep Wrangler, and we got the Rip Rod, and those are new color variations as well. What else do we have? We've got the El Viento 69 Charger Daytona and the Blasphemous Moto. All right, and what else do we have down here? We've got the Rocket Fire, we've got a Super Chrome Speed Box, and another one of the Rocket Fires. And then we have got 57 Chevy, and those are some the newer wheels on the 57 Chevy, a very classic casting. We've seen a lot of those in the previous series of Hot Wheels. We got another one of the 1990 Honda Civic EFs. And on the very bottom, got 3 cars left for the B case. The 71 El Camino, that is like a matte green color. Very, very cool. I really like that. And at the bottom, we've got the 72 Ford Ranchero. Check those out. Kind of similar castings. Very, very similar castings, 2 different model names though. The El Camino and the Ford Ranchero, 2 different companies. Very cool. All right, that's gonna wrap up the B case. Let's go on over and switch to the C case. And here we go, 2019 C case. We've got Hot Wheels just overflowing here. We're gonna go ahead and open this one up though. There we go. Well, let's pop this one open and let's see what kind of cool cars that we get inside of this one as well. Some really good casting so far. 2019 is going to be a fantastic year for Hot Wheels. All right, so we've seen a couple of these ones before, the 69 Charger, the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup, and that's a new one, the Corvette Grand Sport new colored variation. Is that a Moon Eyes? Not too sure. I don't know if that's a Moon Eyes. Looks like a Moon Eyes color variation. It could be. Let me know in the comments down below if you know this is a Moon Eyes car or not. Do you see any Moon Eyes there? I don't know. Maybe. All right, we'll put those. We'll put it on this side actually this time. All right, let's see what else we have up here. We got the 71 Mustang funny car. Check that out. That is very, very cool. And it probably opens up and stuff. We'll definitely be opening these cars up very soon. We've got a flash drive and the Bangster. All right, we'll put those aside. And we've got more of the Audi Sport Quattros, 2 of those ones. We got the Tread Shedder, another one of those. Saw those ones in the previous case. There is another one of the Corvette Grand Sports and the Hover and Out in the Super Chrome series. All right, we'll put those there. We got the Electrac, and we've got another one of the USS Vengeance, the Star Trek car. There we go. Or I shouldn't say car, it's a spaceship. There you go. All right, we'll put those aside. And oh, this one's really cool. The 78 Dodge Little Red Express Truck, although it's not red because we get 2 different color variations of it. We're getting several color variations of it, but I like how it's called the Little Red Express Truck, but it's not red. All right, we'll put that one aside. And what else? We got the 72 Ranchero and the custom 72 Chevy LUV, and both of those we saw in the previous case. What else do we have up here? We got the 2005 Ford Mustang, and we've got the Montosaurus. All right. And what else is this right here? We got the Crescendo. I like the Crescendo. It's actually a fast casting down the track. It won one of our big tournaments, so we'll have to definitely race this variation down the track. Then we've got a Grumobile, and this is a new color variation of the Grumobile apparently, but yeah, I don't know. New color variation, what do you think? What do you think? You like that one, guys? All right, we'll see. I don't even know what the difference is. We'll have to check out the other Grumobile casting. All right, we got the Ducati 1199 Panigale, brand new color variation. We got 2 more of the Nissan Skyline Rs in those whites. I really like that white color variation. Looks fantastic on there. All right, what else is here? We got the 87 Dodge D100. We saw this in the previous year. Now we got a new color variation. That is an interesting color for that. I don't know what to say about that. Kind of weird. I like the white one we saw last year. Then we got the 2018 Camaro Ss. There's another color variation of those. We got another Tread Shedder, and we got the 69 Ford Torino Talladegas. All right, look at the flames on those ones. Very cool. All right, let's see what we have down here. We got new color variation of the Volkswagen Golf MK2, the 70 Chevelle SS, flamed out in yellow. Check that one out. I like the wheels on those too. Very, very, very nice. All right, another one of the 87 Dodge D100s. Let's go to the bottom of the case here, see what's down here. Tons more Hot Wheels in here. There is another one of these 71 Mustang funny cars, Justice League Batmobile, new color variation. Ooh, that's a cool color. I like that one. And another 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. Big flame jobs on those as well. Right, let's pull a bunch down here. We got the 2018 Copo Camaro Ss, and that looks like a drag car on there. And it's got the 50th anniversary logo on there, even though this is a 2019 car. But now we're seeing 50th anniversary logos. That's kind of interesting. Didn't really expect to see that. Sandovar, that looks like a new color of the Sandovar as well. And there's those track rippers. Like I said, I love the Tampa work on the track rippers. So cool, so cool, so cool. And then we've got the Guaczilla, Tanner Fox Guaczilla. There it is. This one, real life car made into a Hot Wheels casting. And it's kind of a love it or hate it. Meh. I don't know, I'm indifferent on it. I like the green. I don't like this back, the blend. It kind of looks not very clean, but still kind of cool that he got his car made into a real Hot Wheels. Very, very much respect to him for that. 67 Shelby Gt500, flamed out. Two of those ones in there. And then up top here, ooh, another Golf car, the 68 Chevy Nova. I love Golf series cars, they're so cool. We got a 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback in a white color variation, and we've got the Hollinator. All right, Hollinator, hauling some cars maybe. And then we've got the Roller Toaster, new color variation of the Roller Toaster. That's a really cool fantasy casting. What else do we have down here? We got a Sandovar. We got the Volkswagen Gt500 Racer Moon Eyes variations. Those are really cool. We saw those ones in the previous case as well. What else do we have down here? Ooh, some Skyline, some more of the Nissan Skyline GTR. These ones, they do have the supercharger variations of these. These are just the main lines. We've got the 69 Chevelle as well in there. What else do we have down here? We've got the High Beam. And ooh, check that out. Wheelie chair. Check that one out. Wow, that is cool. Very, very cool. Okay, I can't wait to open this one up. We'll definitely be opening this one up, and we'll definitely race that one down the track, but that is a really cool for Aaron Wheels. I'm not too sure the information about him, but obviously it's a guy in real life that has a wheelchair, and they made this into a casting for him. So awesome, awesome. Love that. That is so cool. All right, let's see what do we have down here. El Viento, very flashy. Check out that vibrant color on there. All right, and there's another one of the wheelie chairs. We saw that one. And what else do we have? We've got the 95 Mazda RX-7. We've got another one of the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickups. And woo, custom Volkswagen Beetle. Wow, that is nice. It's kind of like a rat rod style Beetle. That's very cool. Like that, I like that. All right, what do we have? We have mine carts, two more of the mine carts. We got another one of the two Tufts. We've seen those before. And our last three, we got a new casting down here. Roller Toaster, and then we've got the 88 Honda CRX. Check it out. Very, very nice. All right, guys, let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite casting from the two cases that we unboxed today. And make sure you check out Granite Toys if you guys want to get your own Hot Wheels castings. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Big Timers, for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.